Hello everyone, welcome to my programming club. Today we will be solving another daily Leetcode challenge, and the challenge name is reverse linked list part 2. So you are given head of a simply linked list with and two integers left and right, where left is less than equal to right. Reverse the node from the position left to right position and return the reversed list. For example, here left is given to be 2 and right is given to be 4. So the second, we will be reversing the nodes in the list from second node to fourth node, and all of the nodes will remain same. So after reversal, it will be looking like this, and then we will return this whole list. So constraints are the number of nodes is of order 500, and nodes value is between minus 500 to 500, and the number of nodes, the range of left and right lies between the number of nodes. So there is a follow-up also. Could you do it in one pass? So let's try to build a solution. What we will do is, let's take example of a list. Let's take this example only. Here left is given to be 2 and right is given to be 4. So what we will do, we will divide the whole list into two parts. Before the range, or you can say we will divide it in three parts: before the range, in the range, and after the range. Now what you will do is, we reversing this part. To reverse this part and uh, attach it to the previous part. Let's call this previous part. Let's call this next part. How to attach the, let's call this current part to previous part after reversal. We need to have this address. Let's call this range head. Let's call this range tail. Let's introduce a new node called dummy node. Say dummy head. It will be pointing to our head. Now your range head will be shifted to this position, and your range tail will be shifted to this position. Let's call this node as range head previous. So what you will do is, after reversing the list, after reversing this current part, you will attach the range tail with this range head previous. So range head previous dot next will be range tail. And then what you will do is you will attach range head to this next part. Then what you will do? You will do range head. Let's call this part as range tail next. So range head dot next will be range tail next. So this is how you will be performing the operation. You will be performing the operation in three parts. Firstly, you will be checking what is the value of range head previous. Then you will reverse this part and you will find out the value of range head and range tail along with reversing this whole part. Then you will find the value of this range tail next, and then you will readjust your links. So range head previous next node will become range tail because the whole current part will be reversed, and range head dot next, which is which will be the new range tail in a manner, in a sense. This next will be range tail next. So this is the logic, and it will be of n time complexity, and it is a single pass solution. And extra space used, no extra space will be used. So let's move towards the coding part. This is the dummy head, uh, which will be pointing to the head of the linked list. This is the range head, which is initially null, this value range head. And previous node is this is a node pointing to the previous node than the current node. It will be used for reversing the list. And dummy head is used in case the left value is 1, that is the range is including the head of the linked list. And current node will be used to traverse the list. And at last it will show the value of range tail next. range till next value will be stored in current node. So this is the use of current node, and range till and range head are self-explanatory, and so this is we calculating value of previous node range head previous. And then we will do the reversal operation on current part. Then we will do the reversal operation for current part. For next part, we need not to calculate the value of range till next, as it will be stored in current node. So this we attaching current part to previous part. This is we attaching current part to next part. At last, we will return dummy head dot next, which will be the new head. Which will be the head of resultant list. So that's pretty much it for the solution and the approach. And if you are still having any doubts, please feel free to ask them in the comment section. I will be more than happy to answer them. Code will be available in C++ and Java both. So thank you for watching. Thanks.